If you've forgotten your password for Crypto.com or need to reset it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to quickly regain access to your account. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app. Launch the Crypto.com app on your mobile device or visit the Crypto.com website on your browser. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Crypto.com account in the designated field and submit the form. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Crypto.com containing a password reset link. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 5. Create a new password. Click the link in the email and follow the instructions to create a new password. Ensure that your new password meets the security requirements. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Crypto.com account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.